This is a very important playlist for men who are confused about what qualities women look for. If you want to know what traits in men makes women addicted to, then you've come to the right place. So, how to get a woman addicted to you forever. This video is meant to give you lasting results. This is how to get a girl addicted to you. It comes down to self-dignity. How you carry yourself and your self-dignity. This is the number one thing to remember, and I break this down for you in this video. And I show you how to attract a girl, and how to get a woman to want you. Everyone is different, and the one word that gets her addicted is self-dignity, but it's up to you to figure out what this means to you. I could give you answers, but you have to figure this out. This is how to get a woman to fall in love with you because you completely love yourself. How to get a girl to fall in love is about having clear boundaries of what this all means. I want you to be able to build the attraction towards the woman you have in your life now, or a woman that you have in your future. It's not about playing these back and forth games, of not calling her or disappearing. It's about valuing who you are as a human and understanding that you have a lot to offer someone, so they have to do the same. A lot of today's world comes from a lack of self-worth, and when two people come together with this lack, it can cause a very toxic and confusing relationship. Being honest and open with who you are, and not being ashamed of that, is the answer to everything. Just continue to respect yourself and others around you, and love will show up for you. So, let's get started. So, what is self-dignity? Human dignity is the recognition that human beings possess a special value intrinsic to their humanity, and as such are worthy of respect, simply because they are human beings. Thus, every human being, regardless of age, ability, status, gender, and ethnicity, is to be treated with respect. Apart from all these, there are 5 other qualities that build up self-dignity in men. So, today in this video, I'm going to speak about one of those 5 qualities. Number 1, self-worth. Self-worth is the internal sense of being good enough, and worthy of love, and belonging from others. Self-worth is often confused with self-esteem, which relies on external factors, such as successes and achievements to define worth, and can often be inconsistent, leading to someone struggling with feeling worthy. Why is self-worth important? Men with low self-worth is characterized by a lack of confidence and feeling badly about oneself. People with low self-esteem often feel unlovable, awkward, or incompetent. Often, individuals lacking self-esteem see rejection and disapproval even when there isn't any. Your sense of self-worth helps you to trust your own judgment and make better decisions, which are important leadership qualities that can help you advance in your career. Self-worth can lend you the confidence to run your relationship, support your partner, and have greater autonomy. Women want men who put value in self. Self-worth creates an aura that draws people in. Because many people lack high self-worth, they are intrigued by people who have high levels of confidence. They want to learn how these people live their lives, with hopes of emulating their energy. Stay tuned for the next video in this series, to know how to make women addicted to men. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.